The new channel. The new channel. Hashtag TNC Now.
Hello and welcome to the new channel. Our passion transforms the community that sees all things new. This is Oribe, streaming live from Makati City. You're watching Daily Stories on TNC.
The views, opinions, and insights expressed in the following shows are those of the host, producers, guests, and viewers. They do not necessarily reflect the position of the channel. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello everyone! Happy Saturday! And today we invited a very special guest. And this guest is close to my heart. Syempre, we're very close. We're business partners before and a good friend of mine. And today we choose the title of the episode which we will tackle up for today, Smart Buys. And all about motorcycles. Ayan, so yung mga motorcycles enthusiasts natin, share this video and share this show. Alam ko magiging excited kayo sa mga matututunan nyo for today. And we will also discuss the road safety and my guest, none other than Coach SJ Rodriguez.
Good morning, viewers.
Ayan,
Thank
so,
you for having me here.
yes, ayan, good morning everyone. So, Coach SJ Rodriguez is the owner of Pro Motorsports PH, and he's also an entrepreneur, lifestyle fitness coach, and the health ambassador, also a motorcycle enthusiast. Ayan, so introduce yourself naman, Coach SJ.
Yeah, so you already mentioned earlier. So, hi guys. Thank you for having me here sa show na to. So, by the way, I'm SJ Rodriguez. So, my background is, of course, I'm handling different business, but this is my one of my businesses which I'm very enthusiastic actually. So we started this one. I started this one last 2020. It was pandemic. So yeah, we started selling. I started selling sa Facebook or online, and then after that, we didn't know na it's gonna expand the business so fast. So and good thing as well. Of course, it hindi siya matutuloy if wala yung mga tao sumuporta, as well as our clients and even my former business partners before. Okay, so yeah, so they are the supporters. I don't take credit on my own, but there are a lot of people who supported, helped me and supported me personally, and as well as the business. So yeah.
Ayan, so right now, kamusta ka naman ngayon, Coach SJ? Kamustahin ka na?
Yeah, we're very much better than before. No, so of course as a business person or like you guys, of course there are ups and downs in the business, but sabi nga, di ba, never back down. So lahat naman you have to stand up and learn from the mistakes that you had before. So yeah.
Ayun. So guys, nakita nyo kanina sa mga video clips na pinakita natin through the introduction is from Pro Motorsports video yun, no? So, kamusta naman yung mga ganong events nyo na pinupuntahan? Talagang every time merong mga ganong event, talagang pumupunta si Pro Motorsports?
Yes, for the past 2 years, we supported a lot of big events, especially in one of the big events that we first supported is the Damson Motocross Series in Batangas, and the most recent was yung international race in Dumaguete, which is handled by PC Promotions that time. So we invited international riders from Thailand, Indonesia, and even Australia. So yun,
nice.
It was the biggest race that we've supported that time.
Nice. So right now, nandito kami nag-show sa shop ng Pro Motorsports dito sa Makati City. So right now, isa pa lang yung shop nyo. Dito pa lang siya.
No, yes. But the showroom, these showrooms that we have right now, it's really focusing to for dealers or who are interested to become a dealer of the brands that we carry. So that's the purpose. That's the main goal of Pro Motorsport, is to scatter the brands that we carry all over the
So parang distributor kayo?
Yes, we are the
stores.
Exclusive distributor of the brands that we carry right now. So yun, ang goal talaga ng showroom natin is to invite the dealers or who wants to interested to have a business, of course, motorcycle.
Grabe, so na-expand na talaga siya nationwide.
Yes, we have a couple of mga dealers in Mindanao as well as Visayas and as well here dito sa Luzon. Yeah.
Alright. So, we will take a tour dito sa store. Papakita namin sa inyo dito sa showroom, dito sa Makati City, sa Pro Motorsports shop, yung mga merchandise and yung mga equipments that are for sale. So, pwede rin kayo mag-visit dito. Direct, can you show us the videos para makita ng mga viewers natin? Ayan. So, meron silang mga clothing lines.
Yeah, the brands from Italy. So, most of our products from Europe and
Nice. And so, international brands pala siya.
yeah, it's a known brand. Especially service sports started last 1970. 1973 that time
Wow.
in Europe. Yeah, and CD Boots is already a well-known brands, especially even as service. CD started 1999 and 1960s.
Grabe, ang tagal na pala nilang mga brands.
Yeah,
no?
they're known
International
brands internationally. So
Mm.
they're also one of the sponsors super bike.
Mm.
Yeah. So in terms of quality and the brand, it's already a strong brand.
Nice. Ayan, so, Direk, can you show us, can you show the viewers pala yung logo ni Pro Motorsports para hindi sila maliligaw if ever gusto nilang mag-visit and i-search ito sa online. Ayan. So, that is the official logo of Pro Motorsports PH.
So you can just visit the showroom here in Tomahong Street in Makati. You can just search on their Google or Waze. They're very searchable.
And so, Coach SJ, every day ba open itong store?
Yeah, we're open from Monday to Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Nice. Ayan, guys. So, i-take note nyo yan. Kung gusto nyo mag-visit, they are open Monday to Saturday. Sunday lang siya close.
Sunday lang siya close because Sunday is a race day.
Yeah, rest day din. Siyempre, siyang family day. Ayan. So, grabe, no? Isang karangalan talaga na ma-meet talaga si Coach SJ kasi he has a lot of networks, lalo sa ibang bansa. Actually, lagi ka nagtutour to meet a lot of business people.
Yeah.
Diba? So, last time, nakwento nga sa atin ni Coach SJ na pumunta siya sa ibang bansa to meet a new brands naman din na i-distribute niya. So, can you tell us about that?
Yeah, so we attended last year. I think that was November in Italy. The
Nice.
EICMA, that's the biggest motor show in the world.
Wow!
In terms of motorcycle.
In the world,
So all the big brands all over the world nandun lahat. So it's really so you can see all those brands are strong brands. And as well as the part of the R&D as well for us to know the brands that we're carrying, how good the quality are, what are the materials, what is the long-term vision of these companies that we're partnering with. And of course, definitely, alam naman natin sa Philippines, sometimes, most of the time, we are way behind in terms of
yes,
technology.
of course.
Diba? So, of course, our goal is to bring in new technologies that the community can benefit in
Yes,
as well.
right.
Yeah.
Ayun, so nakwento mo sa akin last time that you started by selling knee braces online.
Yes, I started from the brand Mobius that based in the US.
Okay.
They're based in Idaho.
Mm-mm.
But it's already a well-known brand all over the world for in terms of knee braces, for riding, for post-op patient, for especially for knee injuries. Ganyan. So there's so many wide areas that they can benefit in, especially sa riding, no?
Mm-mm.
Because the one of the owner is orthopedic doctor and as well as a rider
In Idaho.
in Idaho. Yeah.
Nice.
So the R&D is in Idaho. So it's also a well-known brand. So we started from there. Actually, we didn't know that it will, it will go well from us.
Mm-mm.
So we just started couple of boxes to sell, and then I think if I remember, we just imported 5 boxes of knee braces at the time, and it was
Parang you started for 5 boxes lang.
5
muna.
boxes lang, yes, 5 pairs. So and the item was sold for within 24 hours.
Nice.
And then we doubled the numbers. Same thing when the shipment came, within 24 hours sold out ulit.
Mm-mm.
And then we doubled again the numbers hanggang dumami siya ng dumami. And then yun na hanggang
Parang nag-boom na siya.
boom na siya. So we started from there and then we started acquiring new brands as well. Hanggang yun. Hanggang lumaki na nagulat na lang kami biglang ito na. Ito na siya kalaki.
So parang yun yung isa sa mga foundation kaya nabuo to.
Yeah, it was those are the foundation, and to think it was pandemic that time.
Yes.
So everything are closed down, tapos lockdown. Lockdown. So I thought, syempre all businesses are closed.
Mm-mm.
Diba, we are very worried.
So isang malaking risk or subat talaga yung ginawa mo.
Yeah, at some point. Pero if you see the the biggest yung if you saw the vision talaga and if you're excited on what you're doing, I think that's very beneficial to you, you know. Diba? So,
Siyempre, if you will see the positive side or the bigger picture, makikita mo na, uy, ito pala beneficial sa mga taong nangangailangan.
Oo, at despite that situation, that time na hindi makalabas ang mga tao,
Right.
diba? Where
Hindi sila makabili.
Hindi ka makabili, ganyan. So, if you think, merong risk, yes, pero yung pala, yung mga taong mayayaman, nung time na yon, gusto lumabas, di ba?
Yes.
Siyempre, hindi nila alam kung bukas, di ba, magkaka-COVID sila.
Right.
So, parang, kaya nag-boom yung motorcycle industry that time. Because everyone wants to go out, di ba?
Yes, of course. Tapos, di ba, no lockdown, walang ibang pwedeng lumabas actually nun yung mga riders natin. Sila talaga yung napapakinabangan during pandemic.
Right,
to deliver
right.
food, to deliver things, and yung mga basic needs natin.
Sabi nga nila, for the past 2 decades, doon ulit nag-boom yung motorcycle industry.
Yes.
Ngayon,
Napakaraming riders ngayon. Grabe.
up until now, there's still a shortage
Millions.
of materials and even for mga gamit, there's still shortage, especially
Right.
motorcycle.
Yes.
Especially yung mga high-end Ducati, I think they're having
Shortage.
as well.
Oh my God, grabe.
Diba? So, yeah.
Hindi mo akalain na dadating yung time na buboom siya, tapos magkakaroon pa ng shortage.
Yes.
Dito sa Philippines,
Sa Philippines. So, of course, and we want to, that's the time, so we started getting these ideas na when you sell something, go for quality ones. Diba? Kasi
Yes,
we all
of
know
course.
maraming fakes outside.
Fakes. Oo.
Diba?
So, beware of fakes.
Yeah, we were.
By the way, since nabanggit mo na nga, Coach SJ, yung beware of fakes, kasi one of our topics na gusto nating i-tackle up dito, na kapupulutan naman ng mga viewers natin, most especially yung mga motorcycle enthusiasts nga, ng mga buyers and yung mga customers and clients nyo, ano yung mga ma-advise or tips mo sa kanila for smart buying? Kung ano yung mga pwede mong ibigay sa kanilang tips?
Yeah, aside from the brand that we were carrying, because a good thing about the brand that we carry right now, there are very high quality helmets, no?
Right.
And affordable as well. So, in terms of advice, I could say, of course, wag maging kuripot sa pag-buy ng equipment or
Yes, for your
helmets.
safety yun eh.
For your safety and your head is more valuable than your money.
Of
diba?
course, oo.
Sometimes there are riders na okay na yung parang yung
Low
tinatalasan kasi
quality,
nila
oo.
yung LTO minsan or
Right.
MMDA para hindi mahuli, di ba? But it's not about it, it's for your protection. I've seen a lot of riders na namatay, di ba? Or nagkaroon ng
Because of head
concussion,
injury.
head injuries,
Yes.
di ba? So for me, mas mahal yung ulo mo compared dun sa helmet mo.
Of course, oo. Tsaka hindi mo kasi masasabi, you'll never know when accident can occur, diba, anytime.
I mean, gaya ng sabi ko, there are a lot of good brands out there na
Hindi naman mahal,
Hindi
pero
na mahal, pero
super
maganda.
quality talaga.
Yeah, I've seen, especially meron din tayong mga kasi sa mga international brands, we also have local brands that are good qualities.
Yes.
Diba? For me, I'm not only promoting that the brand that we carry, but of course, for me, I want to support the other brands as well that they're who's doing business.
Right.
Na alam mo yun na
Could help the
good
community,
quality.
of course.
Yeah.
Oo.
For me, I'm really more on.
Kasi anyway, ako naniniwala ako, if you're doing a, good business and you're helping people, yun talaga yung vision. Like, di ba kayo, gusto nyong mag-sell ng quality brands. Actually, sobrang fast moving kapag sobrang low price na hindi quality. Alam mo yung consensus ka lang bibili. Pero when you're selling a quality brand and bawat benta mo nun, alam mo mapoprotektahan mo yung tao, di ba? It's like insurance eh. Kasi ako, I'm a financial advisor right now. So, sabi ko sa kanila, mas mahalaga yung buhay. Actually, isa yun sa mga lesson natin ng pandemic.
That's true.
Health is wealth, health is the main priority, and we only have one body. Yeah.
Especially with the riders right now, I'm telling you, riders, alam mo, you should invest on your motorcycle gears.
Yes, of
Because
course.
it's, your life is on the line.
Okay.
You never know eh.
Kasi pag nagmumotor ka, diba, Coach SG, hindi yan gaya ng kotse na balanse ka kagad, uupo ka lang. pag nasa motor ka, may possibility talaga na it's either, kunyari, umulan, so it affects the road, pwedeng madulas, or kahit anong ingat mo, pero other riders or other cars, pwedeng ikaw yung banggain kahit wala ka namang kasalanan.
Kasi even sometimes,
katawan mo kagad babagsak.
kahit nakagamit ka ng gears, there's certain instances. Of course, gears are to protect you, but there are sometimes na you'll never know yung accident, di ba?
So, gano'n ka mas kalala yung
kasi kahit
accident.
even for us, we're already fully equipped. And yet sometimes sa racetrack, nagkakaroon pa kami ng injuries from there. So, how much more pa kaya sa road? Kasi hindi mo handle yung ibang riders o kaya yung ibang drivers, di ba? So, yeah, you should invest on protective gears.
Ayan. So, isa yun sa mga nabigay sa atin na piece of advice from Coach SJ Rodriguez na syempre invest on your gears talaga, lalo na yung mga nag-motorcycle talaga. And yung mga sumasali talaga sa mga shows and 'di ba sa mga competition.
Competition, yes.
Ayun. So, may mga advice ka ba sa mga aspiring, yung mga kabataan na gaya mo na nangangarap ka lang before na sumali sa mga ganon, what you call the sport that you are into?
Sa motocross.
Motocross, yun.
Yeah, it was a dream for me.
Yes.
This one is also, naging branch na lang to, but before, because again, we're not born very wealthy naman. I can say average as well or below average.
Yes.
Yeah, that time I still remember nanghiram ako ng motor pa that time. Or tinatakos ko yung motor ng pinsang ko.
Just
tapos,
to
pag-ride ka, di ba, without any helmet, nakachinelas ka lang, di ba? Siyempre, nasa probinsya ka lang
Before,
yeah. Pag if you have a good helmet, luxury na yun sa'yo, di ba? Tsaka, it's expensive. But yeah, it was a dream. Since ngayon nandito na ngayon, and of course, as far as I remember before, I thought, pag nagkaroon ka ng gear, guwapo ka lang, di ba? Kasi pag gamit ka ng
forma
ka lang, di ba? Of course, kasama na yon, definitely, because you're paying for the good quality. But, the good thing about it is it's not about sometimes, it's not more of the looking. It's more about protecting your body from any injuries. Diba? Masarap magmotor, diba? Pero mas maganda, mas masarap pag safe ka at nakamotor ka na walang injury.
Right.
Diba? So, ayun, I mean, those are part of lalo na sa mga ibang riders yan or aspiring, diba? And you want to become a rider, so that's good. Hang on to it, believe on it.
At saka, they should learn what are the things needed, ano ba yung kailangan nila munang paghandaan bago sila mag-rides.
Oo.
Kasi hindi biro yung pag-rides, buhay mo yung nakasalalay dyan. Actually, isang iglap lang. Kasi yung katawan mo talaga yung babagsak dyan. So, they have to get prepared. And then dito na nga tayo sa topic na yun, Coach SJ, no? Ikwento mo naman sa amin or magbigay ka rin ng mga piece of advice and tips sa road safety naman when you ride.
Of course, okay. Kasi yung mga riders natin right now, alam naman natin sa Pilipinas, especially yung mga scooter riders, di ba?
Yes. Maraming pasaway.
Maraming pasaway.
But
of course, again, you should know the traffic rules.
Right.
And recently, di ba, may nag-viral nga din dito sa may San Juan nato, Green Hills ata yun. Di ba? Di sila nag-stop, tapos pinangga. Di ba? So, you should obey the road safety rules. No? Even the signs you should obey. Kasi
obey the laws.
Obey the law. Kasi, buhay mo yung,
Tsaka buhay ng other people din. On the road.
Yung passenger.
Kasi pag nasa road ka, hindi lang naman ikaw yung nandyan.
So, hindi naman siya racetrack na hawak mo yung, yung road, di ba? So,
yes.
You should follow the rules. Kasi, it's not also for you, not only for other people, but also for you.
Right. Ayan. So, Coach SJ, nandito ka ngayon sa peak ng business mo. Do you still have a dream or vision kung ano pa yung gusto mong mangyari in doing this right now in the present?
Oh yes, of course. Our goal is to grow. No, we don't settle for less, definitely.
Yes.
But we need to what do you call this? maging kampante ka rin at the same time, no? You know, appreciate what you have right now, but don't settle for less. So you have to, our goal is to grow as well in the future. To expand more. Diba? We have big plans in the future. No, by God's grace, definitely. No, we don't want to be stagnant. No,
Tsaka iba talaga pag yung business mo is your passion eh.
Oh yeah.
Passionate ka eh. Kasi yung interest, alam mo yun, di ba?
Passionate ka, of course, and you have to be hardworking as well.
Yes, of course.
Passion and hardworking should be combined together. No, kasi sometimes you have to, yung kahit nakauwi ka na, iniisip pa yung business. So, how to grow your business. So I think it's really part of it. It's for your, one of the process for us to grow together with your business as well. And for me, especially, or other, even for the other business people there, I think they know, na you're always thinking how to improve, how to increase the technology. So those kind of
Kasi
things.
tawag dito, laging may changes eh. Laging nag-improve, laging merong bago, di ba? The technology itself, di ba? Magulat na lang tayo. Di ba? We have robots na nga eh. So yun.
So dapat you know how to adapt.
Yes. Ayan. Tsaka kailangan natin makisabay sa mga first world country. Lalo na. Ang maganda naman dito kay Coach SJ, di siya nagsasettle na ito lang talaga yung alam niya. He keeps on learning things na talagang he invests to go to abroad, to meet people, to see other things there na yun nga, nami-meet mo pa yung mga other big brands and nakikita mo kung how they do their events, lalo na sa mga motorcycle competition. So nakikita mo yung difference pwede mong i-adapt and bring to our country.
Yeah. I mean,
diba? That is something you are proud of naman.
If you really explore, pagbalik mo sa Pilipinas, you will see a lot of opportunities. Yeah, it's very mind-blowing sometimes. Sometimes.
Right.
But yun gaya ng sabi ko, you have to create an opportunity for the community to thrive at the same time to help as well.
Tsaka you inspire people talaga pag nakita nila ginagawa mo yun. Ayun, so let's give the chance naman to Coach SJ na yung mga tumutulong sa MOTOSPORT, yung mga brands nila. Can you shout out mo din naman sila dito sa show?
Yeah, so the one that we only carry the one we are exclusive with, CD Sports from Italy, and a Service Sports as well that's also from Italy.
Nice.
And we also have 7. This is from US. It's a US brand. And of course, we have Mobius for the knee brace, and Asteris also from the US. We have the neck brace, for kids and for adult support.
So 7.
7. And then Service. These from US, Italy. We have also Matrix Concept. Yeah, Mobius. Okay, bro, keep it coming. Atlas for the neck brace and other braces. Okay. And Mobius for the knee brace. And a lot more. Actually,
Pero, Coach SJ, you welcome other brands din na if ever mag-approach sa inyo kay MOTOSPORT or they want to become partners so that people would know. Kasi hindi natin alam, millions of viewers talaga yung nanonood na shows natin worldwide. So, maybe some of investors would want to invest.
Yeah, everyone is welcome.
Okay.
We're not closing doors to anyone. Again, for us is to our goal is to grow in the next couple of years. So we are everyone is welcome. So ayun, for other brands, even for like other investors, what could we do for this kind of partnership? So yeah, we're very open. You're very welcome to go visit us here in MOTOSPORT PH.
So investors is welcome also to, if you want to make your brands to become be known, you could approach Coach SJ. And kung makikita nyo guys, my guest is hindi pa siya ganun katanda. Si Coach SJ is a young entrepreneur pa rin. Masasabi mo na parang medyo malayo-layo na yung narating niya. So, yes. Pwede mo bang kwento rin sa amin, kahit short story lang na at your age right now, ano yung masasabi mo sa mga na-accomplish mo ngayon sa pag-business na to?
Actually, paano ba? 'Di 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 ba Sometimes, or right now, I could say, I'm still blown away kung ano yung what I have right now.
Tingin mo you're still on the process pa rin?
Oh yes, it's a day-to-day process.
Everyday
It should
learning.
be. It should be.
Yes.
Because alam mo, we only know what we know. Diba? Hindi naman natin alam lahat eh. So we need to be, sabi nga, diba, sa training we have to be and pick up. We should learn things, new things, no, for us to grow. Diba? Kasi hindi naman natin alam lahat, and you will learn from you will learn something from other people, and other people will learn something from you because you have a different experience. You know, so you can like combine the ideas for you guys to grow. No, so yeah, until now it's
For
still
you to create better one, no?
yeah, it's a continuous learning. Up until now, I'm still learning, and every day I'm still learning new things. Minsan nakakabalo din talaga eh. Kasi if you learn something, it's not sometimes you have a bad days, but it turns out it's a learning for you as well. No, to grow yourself and never to repeat that kind of mistake again.
Right.
Diba? And you will gain wisdom every day. No, and that's I think one of the things that I treasure with especially the experience I've been through for the past couple of years.
Yes.
No, it's really the experience, and I'm really happy with the people behind it. Through the worst and
Through the best.
Through the best, diba? And either way,
It's really a roller coaster.
roller coaster ride. Even like, of course, people like will come to your life but you will learn something from them.
Yes, of
diba?
course. There's a reason why you met those people.
Yeah.
Ganun talaga eh, no? It's a reality of life.
It's a reality of life, and you will treasure those kind of learnings, diba? So, like for the both of us, diba, we've been together for businesses before, and we treasure those kind of memories as
of
well.
course, and we learned a lot actually.
Learn a lot, yeah, emotionally, physically,
Pwede yun
financially.
yung naging training ground natin for a bigger one.
Yeah,
diba?
bigger one. Yes. Those are the ladder.
Yes,
That's what
ladder
we
to
have right
success.
now.
Yung ganun.
Without those experiences and without those people, okay, never to mention our coaches before.
Yes.
Diba? Again, I don't take credit for what I have right now. But kasi it's really a mix people, mix support, diba? It's I will be tawag dito, yung it's gonna be a credit for everyone.
Yes.
Diba? So it's
Sobrang humble ni Coach SJ, no? Talagang hindi siya credit grabber. Siya lang to. I mean, he wants us to know na nabuo ko to because of these people who helped me, who supported me.
Yeah.
Ayun. So the ideas and everything, diba?
For those people who supported, alam mo, thank you so much. Diba? I don't take credit because you know yourself. Kung sino man yung mga nandyan.
Yes.
Ano naman yan, diba? So, yeah, it's because the combined support for each and every one. And I really treasure that one.
Ayun. So, right now, you have a team of people na na-meet ka rin kanina dito.
Yeah.
So, baka gusto mo silang batiin or, diba, i-shoutout natin sila and I'm sure nanonood din sila ngayon.
Yeah, my team right now at the back. So, yun, sila yung sales team and even the back office. Yeah, so I think one of, you met already.
Question ko rin sa'yo kanina, Coach SJ. Gusto ko magbigay ka rin ng mga tips and advice sa mga gustong mag-avail ng mga dito, yung mga gustong nilang i-shop dito sa store mo. Ano yung pwede nilang mabili at makita dito? Or kung pwede rin ba silang mag-pre-order ng mga wala ditong hindi available?
Yeah, there are some what we have here. We have helmets for road and off-road, diba? Even for dual sport, we also have boots. We also have that one, different brands. That's good quality brands that we have here. So you can drop by, so you can check which design, colors, or other products. We also have like jersey, t-shirts, and even bags. So you have a lot to choose from. Diba? You will enjoy looking at these things dito sa showroom.
Pero paano pag may hinahanap sila na product na papakita sa brochure, for example, could they pre-order or
Yes, especially one of the high-end helmets that we have here, the 6D. That's only available for
Wow, may
pre-orders.
6D pala. What's
So
the difference?
the good thing about this helmet, no, their technology is there is a suspension inside.
Nice.
So not only for off-roads, they also have like for on-roads as well. Mga road,
Ito, pang pro to.
Pang off-road.
Okay.
Pang off-road to. But same design. They have, it has omnidirectional suspension or suspension. So the goal there, usually ang helmets kasi, if you had an accident, the helmets protect the structure of your head.
Yes.
Diba?
Yung skull natin.
But usually nagkakaroon ng concussion.
Mm-hmm.
So yun yung isa din na na pinofocus nila to protect your brain. That's
okay,
the
na
purpose.
hindi maalog.
So that's why it has suspension inside to disperse.
When you say suspension, no, nakikita nila sa loob na parang
Ito, parang ito.
Ganyan.
May,
So ito yung guys.
Yan. So yan yung nag-scatter ng impact para hindi umabot sa sa ulo or sa brain.
Internal organs ng head.
So yun. That's why this one was created by 6D. Kaya nagkaroon din ng ng technology na tawag yung isa. There are two
Ang galing. So, yung iba, other people kasi, they're not really aware of na may mga ganyan na. Diba? Na, ayan, available na dito sa Philippines, most especially dito sa MOTOSPORT.
Yeah, it's already available. So this is also one for pre-orders, not unless we have stock available.
Yes. Ayan, sa mga ganyan naman, how affordable it is or medyo...
Well, for me, it really depends how they use it. So we can advise how they use it for day-to-day or we have helmets for training.
Kasi
so we
yung
have
mga
different
beginners, no? Yung
beginners or pro ka ba. So you can it's really more on rider's preference. Diba? So that's why we don't we give them suggestions na if we don't cater yung needs nila, we ini-endorse din namin sila sa ibang brand kahit hindi namin sila handle. So even for the accessories of motorcycle as well, the plastics, we also have that. So ayun, ang dami natin pwedeng pagpilian roads.
Right.
Tsaka the good thing about the helmet that we have is the price. So it's good quality pero
kasi sometimes may mga iba't iba kasi yung buyers natin, di ba? So, different folks, different strokes. May mga buyers na, magkano yan? So, tumitingin mo na sa price.
Right.
Meron din namang clients or customers na, ano yung pinaka-quality? May ganun di ba? They don't care about the price, yung quality naman.
Pero pa yung masyadong meticulous, di ba? Tinatanong ano yung
brand.
gawa yan,
Saan gawa,
ano
right?
yung mga materials niya.
Sometimes pag nadjudge pa nila pag kunyaring gawang local lang or gawang China, sabihin, ay, hindi matibay, ganun agad. So, how you deal with those clients naman, Coach SJ? Gusto ko malaman. I mean, nagkaano ka ba? Do you, what you call this? Parang, ine-educate mo rin ba sila when it comes to buying?
Oh, yes, definitely. Majority riders knows naman na the helmet should be ECE certified or DOT certified because ECE and DOT.
Yes, nga pala, they have,
agencies.
dapat certifications pala kung
Oo,
nakapasa siya.
Nakapasa siya. So ECE is more on the European standards. DOT I think is more on US standard.
Right.
And for us naman sa Philippines, nakabase lang naman tayo dun sa international standards. So for US and especially Philippines, naka-rely tayo kung ano yung regulation ng US.
Right. When it comes then sa ikaw mismo as having this store, meticulous ka ba sa pagpili ng brands or sa mga products na gusto mong i-display or i-sell dito?
Oh yes. Of course, number one is the quality, the brand itself, and the price range. So napaka-importante yun. Kasi ang goal natin is to, as much as possible, if we can lower down the price for the community, especially sa, alam mo na, we have different type of markets, di ba?
Yes.
And yun yung maganda kasi even yung mga ABC na kayang i-afford.
Yan. Ayan, so grabe, ang dami-dami ng matututunan ng mga viewers natin. And I'm sure yung mga makakapanood nito, they will surely share this show, share this, this episode. Kasi alam ko talagang ang dami nilang matututunan. And yung mga interested talaga na to know more, they could contact Motorsports PH and also Coach SJ. You could contact them if you have questions and inquiries when it comes to, brands and products that you want to know more about motorcycles.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please follow our page, Pro Motorsport PH in Service Philippines, and we also have City
In
Philippines,
Facebook
in
or
Facebook and Instagram.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think we also have TikTok, yung Pro Motorsport PS.
Ayan, so yan, yung mga mahilig TikTok, you can follow them also.
Yeah.
Ayan, so, grabe, sobrang generous niya ni Coach SJ. Kung di nyo nagtatanong, ang dami niya na-sponsoran ng mga competition, even our own projects and events. Basta, it's all about, motorcycles and yung mga ganung competition, they are sponsoring din, di ba?
Yes. So, support the community, the riding community, big man yan or small. So,
Yes.
as long as kaya namin, for sure.
Right.
So, that's our goal, definitely.
Ayan. Thank you so much for
Thank you, guys.
today.
Thank you
Coach
for
SJ,
everything.
grabe, nabitin ako sa usapan natin, pero at least na-share mo yung vision mo to inspire other people and lalo yung mga viewers natin na talaga naman kapupulutan ng aral yung mga na-share mo sa kanila. Ang dami-dami mong na-share sa amin when it comes to business, sa mga tips mo and pieces of advice. And nagpapasalamat kami that daily stories have you right now na parang pinaunlakan mo talaga tong interview natin. Finally, natuloy na tayo.
Thank you.
Matagal ko na siyang ini-invite pero busy. Laging out of the country kasi.
So,
Ayan.
thank you also for TNC, no? TNC.
Yes,
and
yes,
of course,
daily stories.
Daily Stories. So, thank you so much for having us. It's a pleasure. The pleasure is ours. And thank you so much for your time and even the
Directors,
production team. Thank you so much for having us. It's a pleasure.
Ayan. Ay, wala ka nang papasalamatan, Coach SJ.
Yeah,
Before we
thank
say
you.
goodbye.
Thank you to my team, of course, and the supporters of the company, the clients, and even the mga riders who supported the company and supporting us. And thank you for never-ending support. And we look forward for more in the future. Yeah.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Coach,
Thank you.
Coach
Thank you so
SJ,
much.
and good luck and more powers lalo sa Pro Motorsports.
Thank you,
Yan,
guys.
thank you. Ayan, so another episode has ended and I know guys na nag-enjoy kayo. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, exciting talaga yung i-guest natin this Saturday. And syempre, bago tayo mag-end, I would like to thank all of the people, lalo na yung mga sponsors of our show. Most especially si Sante. Ayan, sila yung nagsusupply ng mga Sante barley and yung nagpapadala sa atin ng mga vitamin C's na pinapamigay natin sa community. Thank you so much for generous thought na sinishare niya sa amin and na share din natin to other people. Thank you, Sante Philippines, and also my own sponsor. Thank you talaga sa The Playhouse Beauty and Academy by Charm Soriano. Hello, Miss Charm. Thank you so much. And also, hindi ko makakalimutan yung lagi nakasupport each and every time na may kailangan and nandyan talaga everyday. The Gluten Lounge Aesthetic Center and Aesthetic by Arya by Yap Family and Miss Kate Yap na nasa US. Hello, Miss Kate. Hope to see you soon. Client ko rin yan sa Sun Life. And the Gluten Lounge Aesthetic Center has 4 branches, Quezon City, Parañaque, Malolos, and Baliwag. Also, Naria's Restaurant, thank you so much. And you could visit them in Matalino Street, CMA Meat Hub Meat Trading in Mega Qmart, Milka's Online Market, your one-stop shop for your online palengke, and Yuga Charm Productions, Crispy King, Hari ng Lutong, and for your insurance and investments and all of your health protection needs, just message me, Charm Oribe, Sun Life Financial Advisor. Ayan, so Sun Life lang. And of course, thank you so much. Papasalamatan ko lang yung mga generous owners and yung mga managers and yung mga nandun na nagpo-promote ng Vape Fest last Sunday. Thank you so much. Then Kat, Flava, Waller, FOF, Instabar, Oxva, Geek Vape, Chillax, Lost Vape, Kenji, and Vape Max. And sana wala akong nakalimutan. Pero thank you so much for your generous gestures last time. And sa Flavor, kay Miss Jen, thank you so much, Vape Fest. And I think wala na ako nakalimutan. So guys, na-miss ko kayo. Ang tagal natin di nakapag-shoot. Puro tayo replay. Pero this one, guys, ayan, tuloy-tuloy ulit tayo sa Daily Stories. Okay, so this is your host. My name is Charm Oribe from the new channel. Bye, guys!